Alrighty, have another package here. This package is from Core i64. Got the title right. From Alberta, Canada. I'm very excited to figure out what's in here, and this time I have a knife. So let us open it up. It's a very large box, but that's okay because hopefully the contents are safe and secure. So let's split her open here. Oh yeah, okay. Package as well. That's one thing you can say. Package as well. Oh look, I'm not even opening the right side of the box. Look, that's where the box opens at the top. I just cut the side of the box open. I couldn't tell with all the tape. Couldn't tell with all the tape. I think we're okay. There we go. There we go. All right. So that's not the way you open the box. Look at all this packaging. That's to keep it nice and safe. Okay. Don't think we need this anymore. I want to savor this moment. So I'm going to take a sip of coffee here. Nice hot coffee. All right, what will we find inside? Now I do want to be careful here because I don't want to accidentally open it the wrong way and have something fall out. I'm not sure exactly what way is up. Okay, hang on, hang on. What way is up? Maybe I cut around this way. Yeah, cut around this way. That seems about right. Okay. And now we'll open the top this way. Okay, more packaging, bubble packaging. Very, very securely packaged. That's good. Whoa, here's the magic. Here's the magic. Right here. Oh my. So excited. Get rid of that. And that. And it's in some kind of Ziploc bag. Let us open the Ziploc bag. Oh my. What is this? What is it? Oh my. Look. It's a brand new CMD HD in a metal case. That's incredible. And to be honest, it's quite lightweight. It is a metal case. As you can see, metal case. The board is in there, but it does not have a real SCSI hard drive in there. It has some kind of an SD card reader in there. I'm also noticing here that the power port didn't include a power supply, but unlike the FD-4000, this one seems to come with a standard power jack. Fortunately, I've got extras for the 1541-2 and 1581, so I imagine that this is compatible with those. Because I don't see a power supply, but I think I'm good for that. And there you go. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. And it's all black and shiny and nice and new. Unbelievable. All right. I will show you later when I open this up. It's very easy to open up, by the way. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.